The Outdoor Plus presents La Pinta. La Pinta's brightest feature is the art of combining yellow and blue flames using a single gas line with Top's unique tsunami burner for the blue flames and patented bullet burner for the yellow flames. Along with the combination of flames, La Pinta is sure to entertain your guests, not only with fire, but with its Bluetooth-controlled sound system, LED lighting, and forced air heating system. La Pinta is available in either liquid propane or natural gas configurations, matchlit or electronic ignition, and comes with adjustable feed too. La Pinta comes in multiple finishes and sizes. This is the Outdoor Plus's